Hi everyone. So what I want to do is walk you through the outline assignment sheet. So as part of your pre-writing process, I'm asking you to create an outline. Now I will tell you in my own writing, outlining was never my go-to, and I eventually had a professor in graduate school who made us write an outline, and I ended up finding it to be hugely helpful. For me, often the hardest part of a larger writing assignment, like a research paper, is just getting started and knowing that I need to hit that page number. So, having an outline kind of took away some of that anxiety because there was already something on the page. And I found it much easier to start kind of inserting my prose once I basically had a skeleton of what my paper would look like. The other key element of the outline is that you're going to show me where you're going to use your sources. That can sometimes be a tricky part, just kind of fitting all those puzzle pieces together. So that's our intention here. So your outline needs to have a few things. A list of your potential sections, so you know that you'll have an introduction, you know you'll have a conclusion, then there'll be body paragraphs in between. An estimate of about how many pages you think each section will be. Where you plan to put your sources, and you do need to tell me where you're going to put all four of your sources, and then any other supporting details or points in your argument. So this is fairly informal. There's not a certain format that your outline needs to be in. That being said, I'd encourage you to put the time in this week and create kind of a detailed, rich outline. This will make starting the writing process next week so much easier. So it's saving you time. So consider it a living document. Keep adding to it and tweaking it as you finish your research and begin writing. The next video I'll show you, I will go through the sample outline with you to kind of point out some important information, but I just wanted to quickly take a look at the rubric. This outline will be due Sunday, April 26th by 11:59 p.m. You'll turn it in on Blackboard just like normal, and it's worth 100 points and will be graded using the following rubric. So first, you get 25 points just for breaking it into those subsections and showing me where each source will go. You lose 5 points as things maybe get less organized, kind of more big, vague in general. Then you get 15 points for including each of your four sources and showing me where you put it in your paper. If you just list the sources but don't show me where you'll use them, you'll lose 5 points. And then lastly, per usual, we have our grammatical errors, typos, and formatting. And that's a maximum of 15 points. As you're doing your outline, if you're having trouble fitting things together, you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy we can almost write it together over Zoom if you would like to.